Guys, so this is the second to final part of the upcycling process for these nightstands. So as you can see here, I have this cut piece here from the paper. I guess it's just paper, we can call it that. And they did say leave 2 to 3 centimeters extra. There is quite a bit in the width left over, and then also lengthways I've left quite a bit as well, just in case I make mistakes or it doesn't fit. Then I can just cut around the edges with scissors after. So this is what the paper looks like. It's from Create Your World on Etsy, Create Your World store, I believe is what it's called. And they have tons and tons of this sticking paper. They also have, I think, vinyl, so you can do flooring. And it's a beautiful, simple white and grey marble print. Now, I am gonna have quite a few things on the nightstand, obviously, so you won't see it too much, but I think it's still relatively subtle, and it goes perfectly with the white gloss spray paint I've done here. So once this is applied, I'll show you guys what it looks like. So the first step of this, really all you need is a pair of scissors and this paper, and then you kind of can measure roughly around it because you need to leave extra material regardless, and then just kind of roughly cut around it, and then obviously I'll be very, very slowly applying it. Hey guys, it's actually way easier than I expected, perhaps because I'm just doing a nightstand and not flooring or anything, but somehow, if you can see, it's like 99% smoothly applied. Yeah, so that's the backing paper of this area all gone. Obviously, I'm going to now have to figure out how to cut a straight line around these edges. That might be a tricky part for me, but I'm sure eventually I'll figure it out. But the application itself here was easy. I know I have a little bit of damage here on the table, but we're just going to ignore that for now. But it is almost perfectly applied around the edges, and here it's the right amount of the gap for the white edges as I wanted, and it looks pretty good to me. So this is the first nightstand done. I will admit it's not perfect. Please don't take professional advice from me because I am an amateur. This is my first time ever doing this kind of DIY upcycling project. However, I'm really happy with the result. You might see when the light hits the nightstand, there are air bubbles, but very, very small ones. You can't see it from here, and looking from a downwards angle, you can't tell, especially because it's got the beautiful marble print. So it kind of disguises any imperfections. And of course, the edges also are not perfect. I might work on this and try and improve it a little bit, but honestly, with the marble print, you can barely see it. But yeah, for now, I am happy with it. It's applied and it looks really pretty.